Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked bad 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a pro touring car, guys, and bad to the bone, man. Car originally was built in Mississippi. It was done about 2015, 2016, and really has kind of sat. Wicked bad. Built 6-liter LS engine underneath the hood, all fuel injected. It's got a pro-built Tremec. Shoot, gonna slip and fall down here on the ice. A Tremec 5-speed manual trans, and I'm telling you guys, wicked bad. This thing will rock. It's finished in Granada gold. You can see it's got the black vinyl top, the black vinyl interior. Neat car. 4-wheel disc brakes, air, complete frame-off nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Killer. Those are Budnick wheels. They're 18 by 10 in the front and 20 by 12 in the rear. And this car is tough. Good looking car. There's a couple of, there's a few spots in the paint that you can nitpick. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. Try to remember, I found a few spots in the paint. I'll try to point those out for you. If I remember right, there's a little rub mark down here. Again, nothing hideous, but try to point stuff out to you. Pretty car, man. Dash is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape. It's got all tinted glass. I saw a couple, you can see some little scratches in it. I believe that, yeah, it's the original soft ray tinted glass in it. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Again, all Pirelli ZR rated rubber all the way around it. We are not going to run it down the road, guys. We got cold, wet ZR rated rubber on cold asphalt with this kind of horsepower. And one of these boys, you can see they little touch-up mark, I'm sure where the bumper was, putting the bumper on or something. Good way, yeah, the weather like this, running something like this down the road, good way to get these boys in trouble. Because this thing, like I say, it's no joke. It rocks. It's got, again, 4-wheel disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors, wicked bad set of Budnicks on it. It's got the big rotors in the front. Again, 6.0 liter LS engine. It's got aluminum heads. Of course, it's electronic fuel injection. You can see they built that custom cover for it. It's got the big tube intake on it, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a hydraulic clutch on it. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got air. The engine is built. When I say that, it's got like a Texas Speed Pro camshaft in it. Again, does have vintage air. It's mounted down there. Aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got 4-corner adjustable coilovers, big sway bars on it with polyurethane bushings, all new brake lines. Good looking car, man. Tremec 5-speed manual trans, got a scatter shield. You can nitpick those a little, but they're pretty darn nice. New mirrors, it's like new door handles. Right there. New sill plates, new carpet. Bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column with the SS steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. I like this look when they leave the interiors pretty stock. 32,282. I'm sure that's 132. It's got the gauge package, got an aftermarket custom sound system. If you look, it's got the custom kick panels on it. All that stuff does work. Air blows cold. It's got a Hurst shifter on it with that big silver ball. It's got a stainless steel 3-inch X-pipe dual exhaust system in it with their hooker mufflers. There's a little touch-up mark there. It's got a, now this is aftermarket, it's got a braced, strange 9-inch forward rear end in it, 4-link rear end in it with a 373 posi. Again, rear sway bar. It's got adjustable coilovers in the rear. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. You can see that. Of course, it's mini tubbed. Did a nice job on that. Car is slick underneath. Got underneath there, got some good pictures for you. Car is very nicely done underneath. There. Seats are really nice. Man, look how nice it did that, really nice. It's your 5-speed pattern for your Tremec. You got Jordo fired up. It's got your air out. Air blows cold. This thing rocks, guys. The car's got a real good look to it. Watch the ice out here, boy. You gotta be careful. Gauges are all functional, good oil pressure. It's just so cold, man. Stuff's melting and freezing and radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.